Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you guys how I refresh my old box braids, and these are just the ombre purple braids that I had in my last video, and I'm going to show you guys how I get from this to this. And I also curled the bottom of the braid, so you'll see how I did that. If you're interested to see how I refresh my braids, then please keep on watching. So for starters, we just want to pull down some of the braids that we're gonna be refreshing. For this video, we won't be doing the whole head. Actually, in general, I don't do all my braids. I just do probably like around the first two lines of my head. And yeah, after this, you just want to take your spray bottle with a bit of water inside, and then some of your shampoo. I just used one of the Head and Shoulders shampoos that I had lying around. So for this, you just want to eyeball the amount, but you don't want to put too much because you'll need to wash it out soon. And yeah, you just want to shake it up and it should look something like this. After that, you just go in and spray the roots of your hair where the buildup has gathered, and then you just spray it a little and rub it into your hair strands, as you can see that I'm doing here. After that, I just use my fingers to just rub it a little and rub it through. Don't forget to put your towel on your laps because there's going to be a lot of dripping going on here, or you could just do it by the sink, but yeah, I suggest you just put a towel or something because it gets messy. So once you're done with that, as you can see here, you just want to tie your braids up so that you can prepare it for washing. Don't tie them right at the end, but leave some room, as you'll see. But that's how we're looking right now with the shampoo in the hair. And we're ready for washing. And here you just want to take your shower head preferably and focus on the roots of your hair and not the whole length of your hair, because you don't want to sit around waiting for it to dry for so long. And then after this, I just go in with my Cantu coconut curling cream as my moisturizer, and I just mix that in with a bit of oil that I have lying around. You don't want to take too much, so for this I just use that one little scoop for all the braids that I needed to refresh at the front. And you just want to take it and rub it into your hands, and after that you just want to put it throughout the length of your hair just to moisturize. So for this, I also moisturized the hair that I'm not refreshing, all my hair, generally the front, back, all of it. And you just want to squeeze it into your hair so that you keep your natural hair moisturized, and just rub it through so that there's no buildup. And also the reason why I don't use so much oil is so that I can prevent buildup at the crown of my head. And yeah, you just want to tie that up again. So that we can go on to the next stage, which is twisting down the roots of hair. So as you can see, that's the growth that I have on the root of my hair, and I just want to twist it. So you take each of the braids that you wanted refreshed, and you just use your fingers to twist it round. So I wouldn't advise you to do this if you have very brittle hair. One other tip is, when I do this, I know that I'm gonna be removing my hair in about a week or so, or just a few days, and so I make sure that I don't do it for too long because that can cause tension to the crown of your hair. And as you can see, we went from looking like this, which is rough roots, to looking like this, which is all neat. After that, we're gonna go and curl the hair, and to do this, I took about 9 to 10 braids and just braided down the length of my hair. This is how I looked once we were done. Take a tin or anything that you can put boiling hot water in. Make sure you don't burn yourself if you're doing this on your own, and just dip the braided chunks of hair into the water for about 30 to 60 seconds. And then I use a towel to just dab off the excess water. And yeah, after that I just let it dry for a couple of hours. As you can see here, the sun actually went down, so I was doing this later on in the evening. And you just want to take down the braids and you'll get that beautiful curl, which just makes it look like you have new braids. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Other than that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.